So this is our latest build over here at Scenic Vans. This is a 170 Sprinter. It's a 3500 XD, so it's the high output. It's also a dually, so this guy's super loaded. It's got all the bells and whistles, but it's a kind of an unusual build for Scenic. As you can tell, it has the overlanding rugged look on the exterior, but when you look inside, it still retains that nice finish, tiny home look that we do over here at Scenic Vans, which kind of displays the versatility of our builds.
Before adding all these fun features, the team installs kill mat, the diesel Espar heater, an AC unit, and a whole house fan.
I'm doing this in a rack for the top roof rack. So I hold the solar panels that goes around the AC up there in the fan. There'll be like those big metal panels that are down there will fill in all these gaps once all these bars are across. So you could walk up here, then the solar panels are going to mount to that also. You gotta keep it open. It's not butyl tape. No. So here we have the Starlink, which gives him mobile internet there via satellite. And it goes into a bracket here that allows it to mount securely to the bottom of the rack here. So when he comes up, he wants to put it on, he puts it on, he wants to take it off, undoes it, unplugs it, the cord hangs out there, he's good to go. This is it. Yeah, what you got, buddy?
It's a tire holder on the back.
It's also a ladder too.
Yeah.
The interior of this van is going to be all about practicality and comfort. One cool feature that the customer decided to do was have a toilet that is hidden inside the bench that can then be slid out to the shower area when needed. Before we get this project started though, we're going to need to build a solid foundation.
Doing some framing right now. Get this new van set up.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Right now I'm working on a pre-wire, just running light wires and hooking up a third additional wire for switch purposes. It's going to be basically a Cascade build. Big bed, shower, bench, galley on that side. Alright, so today we're working on framing out the shower and doing the wall panels in the shower. And then we're also putting up the walls that Spencer got painted for us on the sides of the van marinas, cutting out the holes and mounting those up. Alright, so I just got these pieces of FRP cut out. We're going to red guard the whole thing to waterproof it, make sure it's fully sealed off. That stuff will take about a day to dry, and then tomorrow we're going to come in and glue this down with the FRP glue.
Just installing some floor slides.
Alright, so right here we have our
water blanket switch, and this is so our fresh water tank that's under the van can stay warm in like freezing temperatures. So this is a switch that controls it, turns it on and off. All right, so last week we finished up this electrical box, and now we're working on the water boxes. So this is just holding all of our plumbing, our water heater. Now there's more storage and other things in this box, but yeah.
The water heater is going to sit in the front, so we're going to have all this room back here. So it'll be like fill line and then water pump, and then we'll just have all of our PEX lines right here. Let's see if we can align it with the window frame, because we have to put our Wi-Fi booster and our carbon monoxide down there.
I'm about where the frame is.
Perfect.
How do you put it up?
This right here is a TV swivel mount we just installed. So you can be chilling in bed watching TV, you know. Oh, it's a step. There's little legs that go.
Cut the hole out for the shower. They want Clint to do it. And then after that, we're just wiring up this outlet, wiring up the toilet. And then.
Well, what do you want me to do then? I can do that's not in his way.
You want him to grab the mattress?
Yeah. Let me finish cleaning up real quick. Everyone checked everything? The heater's been checking that one, right?
Yeah, I mean, you want to do that one, yeah.
Cool. The sink's all over there.
Where? Plane!
From the bottom, and it'll flop down, and the toilet will come out, and then go back up, and then I'm gonna figure out some kind of good latch system, and then I'm figure out how to weatherproof this whole thing. I got some good weather stripping, self-adhesive weather stripping.
I know, we did a great job on this thing. It's so cool.